it is fabulous to delete all the toxic people from your life. There are some sharks who've got away with talking crap like ये आपकी hobby है क्या? Vinita, I'm not going to sugarcoat it.
One thing you think women should stop apologizing for?
Silence is not always good. Speak up when you think that somebody is not respecting your boundaries.
I'm very paranoid about this कि menopause के time 30% bone loss, 30% muscle loss.
I think perimenopause, I won't name her, but I tried to get 2 movie actresses who are in their mid-50s and they're gorgeous and I adore them. And both said no because it's still a taboo.
One health advice, especially for young people.
Sleep.
8
आजकल
hours.
लोग सो नहीं रहे. People glorify sleeping less and it's actually killing us in many, many ways.
What is that one supplement that they need based on what you've seen in India?
Everybody in India is low on vitamin D and vitamin B12.
Yeah.
वो तो है ही इंडिया में.
If hormones had a personality, which one do you think is the real troublemaker for women's skin?
भाई साहब.
Really excited for the most anticipated episode of Sugar Coated because it's with my dear friend Namita Thapar. नाम तो सुना होगा. A businesswoman turned shark turned founder, and we will talk about that. But somebody who's grown up battling body image issues is now the most incredible advocate of women's health and women's well-being. Why I love her so much is because she's my boldest, most badass friend. उसको social media पे कोई troll करे अगर बोले पापा की परी तो उसकी t-shirt बना के पहन के घूमने. उसको कोई बोले कि लोग जज करेंगे ये मत करो तो वो उसको 10 times ज़्यादा करना है. Oh God. And if there is anything that she believes is right, she will stand up and fight with anybody, including her co-sharks. And I have been at the receiving end.
Yes.
But so this podcast for me is going to be a therapy session because every time I am afraid to do something, I always think about what would Namita do, because she is really
so
somebody
sweet.
who brings out that courage in a lot of women, including me. So, Namita, you've been a role model.
Oh, I love you, Vinita.
And the most incredible thing for me is that आते जाते एयरपोर्ट में मॉल में जब मुझे लोग मिलते हैं तो आधे लोग मुझे आके बोलते हैं नमिता थापर.
Hello, मुझे भी विनीता बोलते हैं तो it's a mutual love.
And it's like last weekend I was at this horrible fitness event called High Rocks. I was dying and कोई crowd से cheer करते हुए go Namita ma'am. And I was like, every time I go and correct people, but this time I was like, मेरी इतनी हालत खराब थी, इतना embarrassing था. I was like, ठीक है वो सोच रहे नमिता है, नमिता has a lot of goodwill everywhere, तो ज़्यादा बेइज्जती नहीं होगी, उनको सोचने दो कि ये नमिता ही है जो अपनी बेइज्जती करा रही है.
I mean, Vinita, you're very kind. And तुम अभी रुला दोगी मुझे. But
अच्छा, no more तारीफ.
No more
तारीफ.
But you know that I love you. And we have spent 4 seasons together.
Yeah.
We have built the most incredible memories. And you're my go-to girl when I need that hug. We've done tapori dances. We've had chat. And I know that we have shared a lot of things that we would never share in public.
Yeah.
And I know that when we've had those conversations, that's really lifted my mood, lifted my spirit, made me happy, made me want to go back on that pitch when I didn't want to. So you've been my rock during the shoots. And you're not just a very kind person, but resilience अगर कोई सीखे कि अगर किसी को नीचे डालो तो double bounce back कैसे करते हैं. I think Vinita, you're the role model for that. So you've taught me so much. You're younger than me, but I have learned so much from you. And the memories we've built together, I'm very grateful for that. So love you.
Love you and कोशिश जारी है resilience की. And just want to clarify, टपोरी डांस वो करती है, मैं टपोरी kung fu करती हूँ. But she makes sure that like even the most dance unfriendly person on the set before we get on does the most टपोरी dance. तो इस season के लिए मैं तैयार हूँ.
Thank you.
But नमिता, अभी हम बात कर रहे थे like 3 years back, I think Shark Tank season 2 was the first time I actually heard this word perimenopause. And I remember in the last 3 years seeing your journey, how you've really, on screen and on your Instagram, you make it look so stunning and incredible. But there is this battle going on, you versus hormones. Tell me about it. Like, how has your journey been? And, just like as somebody who's 42 and not yet there but already quite afraid of it, just prepare me and all of these young women who, you know, want to know more about it. What is this menopause exactly, and why does this wreak havoc on us?
So even though I've worked in healthcare for many years, I think I started working in healthcare when I was 21, I'm 48. Like, yeah, like a good 27 years I've been working in healthcare. And I've been doing these podcasts for many years, and I thought I knew everything, expertise thi. but when perimenopause struck me at 45, I knew nothing about it. I didn't know what was going on. And look at me now, I'm sweating like a pig even now. You used to get these horrible hot flashes, palpitations, suddenly felt like crying, put on crazy amount of weight, especially that, you know, that little belly button
I
fat
cannot
that
see
refuses
an
to go
ounce
away.
of it. Sorry, but
No,
yeah.
I'm just really great at covering it. Spanx helps. But it just kind of, you know, everything came together. And especially what hit me the hardest was irregular periods. So my periods, which were, you know, I would get them 28-day cycle. There used to be 4 days, effortless. I didn't even know kab aaye, kab gaye. Suddenly, my periods would go on for 20 days. I would have to take medicines to stop my periods. I became so anemic. My hemoglobin became 8. Even Orofor tablets didn't work. I had to take the IV. And you know how scared I am of needles.
Yeah.
So it became really hard for me just to manage everything and still be productive at work and be there for my children and take care of my workout and all of that. So I felt that the reason I was unprepared is because there wasn't much being spoken about it. So I remember even when I did my podcast on menopause, I always like getting a couple of women to talk about it. And both women canceled the night before. And I was like, why are you cancelling? Isn't this normal to talk about perimenopause? But they didn't want to talk about it. They didn't, because it's still a taboo, and, you know, women celebrate silence for some reason.
And I think it makes women seem unsexy. That's
And
why.
aging. I think perimenopause, I won't name her, but I tried to get 2 movie actresses who are in their mid-50s, and they're gorgeous and I adore them. And both said no, because they said, you know, then on television you're accepting that I'm old. And perimenopause matlab aap boode ho rahe hai. You know, so they don't want to accept that they're aging, but you know, you can age so gracefully. And aging is not a bad word, right? So I have had people who refuse to come on my podcast to talk about perimenopause or to speak about it. So I said, yaar, main hi bolne lagti hu. You know, the more I speak about it, it helped me. I think it'll help other women. And so that's how it started.
Yeah. And I think it's now what 10 years almost for a lot of people कि menopause अगर हमें average 46 47 पे हो रहा है इंडिया में, वेस्ट में it's 51, उससे पहले some women suffer for almost 5 to 10 years.
So it, you know, it depends. It's different for different women. So in my case, the perimenopause lasted a good 3.5 years. Then of course you go into menopause where you don't have periods for 1 full year. So that's a year. And then after that I thought, chalo ho gaya sab. But then the symptoms continue. So what my doctor told me is, even when you're in menopause, your symptoms will continue sometimes for a year, sometimes for 3 years. So it depends. But yes, for a lot of women, the entire, this whole symptoms that make you go crazy can go on for as long as 10 years. If you're lucky, then maybe 4 or 5 years. But they do go anywhere from 4 years to 10 years. So it's a long journey.
And what's the definition of menopause? Because I've heard that the reason a lot of doctors आपके podcast पे भी नहीं आना चाहते हैं is because it's like just a half an hour का course in their entire 5 साल की पढ़ाई में सिर्फ आधा घंटा on something that impacts a decade for women, which is so unfortunate.
Definition is very simple. Menopause is when you don't get your periods for 12 months. It's as simple as that. And you're absolutely right. You know, I work with a lot of gynacs because MCure is one of the leading companies in iron, in anemia. And you're right. We speak about it that, you know, this is one topic that's not adequately covered in med school. And so right now we, through MCure and also through Earth, are doing a lot of doctor CMEs, the continuous medical education, where we are working with societies to really do refresher courses and in-depth education material through top doctors for the masses. I mean, as in for the other doctors in tier 2, tier 3 cities. So there's definitely a need for education, even amongst the doctor community.
And one part of it is symptoms. I think you wrote कि 48 symptoms
Yes.
होते हैं menopause
Yes.
के, and I was like,
Yes,
oh my god,
there are
एक पूरी
48
checklist
symptoms,
लेके घूमना
believe it
पड़ेगा.
or not.
Yeah, because a lot of
Yeah.
things people, you know, otherwise were attributing to इसकी दिमाग की problem है, but
Oh,
actually
yeah.
it is coming from menopause.
Yeah, you know,
So
when we talk about it, they say, "Arey, you know, she's doing drama, melodrama." Those labels are put very often, but I mean, these symptoms are for real.
And I remember very clearly you told me कि 50 का age or maybe 48 to 50 में the dramatic impact on your face, the way you look, you know, just your glow is just very sudden, 20 30 40%, I don't know what the number is. वो क्यों होता है?
You know, it's because the estrogen level in your body goes down. So when we talk about hormones, and if you want to get into the science, estrogen is a fabulous hormone for women. It protects your heart, it hydrates your skin, it keeps your hair healthy. And what happens in menopause is there's a sudden drastic dip in estrogen. And because of that, I mean, I'll tell you, my skin, my hair, it's so dry all the time. And you do feel a massive impact because of estrogen level dropping so drastically. That's the reason.
Okay. And what do we do now? So how do we manage? Well, one part of it is that, you know, the pain that we go through.
Yeah.
The other part is the way we look, the way we feel, you know, our mental health as well as our brain ka capacity. So what all can we do to make this better, this journey?
So, you know, firstly, I tell in all my reels as well that become selfish. Okay, I mean, your whole life, including me, we've dedicated to doing so much for others.
Yeah, it's impossible for women to be selfish.
Yeah, so I think selfish is a good word. and
Sacrifice ki misal.
Yes, I think enough of that. Time to be selfish, time to take care of ourselves. And two aspects, the mental health and the physical health. So whether physical health is concerned, I have completely, you know, gone into the Sattvic life where I sleep early, I make sure I get my 8 hours of sleep. I put in a lot of...
कितने बजे सोते हो, कितने बजे
I
उठते
sleep by 10:30 every night. My phone is put away at 9:30, so I can get that detox because that's really messing with our heads a lot.
So 9:30 के बाद you don't touch your phone.
No, I don't. And then I read. I like reading. So I read. And then at 10:30, I fall asleep. I wake up by 6:30. Of course, with menopause, annoyingly, couple of times at night, you have to wake up to pee, which never used to happen before. So there are all these little adjustments. But
And
fortunately...
night sweats also.
And night sweats also, when I'm suddenly feeling very hot. So I do wake up a couple of times. So it's not the kind of beautiful, deep, uninterrupted sleep that I used to have earlier. But fortunately for me, once I wake up, I can go back to sleep quickly. So that's not been that
I think because
much
you
of a
work out
disruptor.
also, that's probably happening.
No, it's also, you know, some people are light sleepers, some people are deep sleepers. So fortunately for me, I sleep well. So even if I wake up a couple of times, which I do every night, either because of the night sweats or because of wanting to use the washroom, I still go back to sleep. So 8 hours of sleep, absolutely mandatory. I've become a PhD in sleep. I mean, you cannot imagine, Vinita, sleep has become a national crisis. People glorify sleeping less, and it's actually killing us in many, many ways, externally and internally. So that is one, get adequate sleep. I cannot stress that enough on this podcast.
And for you, it's 8 hours.
For me, it's 8 hours.
But it's true, right? Like for some men and some people, it can be lesser. It can be 6.
But it catches up with you. So, you know, a lot of people say, "Arey, mereko to 4 ghante hi lagte hain." And then after that also, I feel very fresh. But that's incorrect because if you really read Lancet and Nature and British Medical Journal and all these publications and you see the trials conducted, it catches up with you. So don't glorify.
So there is a like research number कि इतने घंटे at least चाहिए.
Yeah. So they always advocate 7 to 8 hours. Okay. But there's definitely studies to show that if you get less than 5 hours, how that increases your risk of dementia, risk of heart attacks, risk of depression, risk of pretty much everything you can imagine. So I've become this big advocate for sleep. So number one thing, women do what it takes, but sleep.
And 7 to 8 hours in bed or 7 to 8 hours of sleep, that is you.
Sleep.
Sleep.
Yeah,
So
I
which
highly
means
recommend.
8 to 9 hours in bed.
Yeah, so I mean,
Probably
as in I'm
because-
reading for that 1 hour from 9:30 to 10:30. It's nice to just dim the light and make sure that there's no noise, there's no TV that's on. I mean, you have to work towards it. Like you plan 100 other things in your life for your meetings, right? Slides ठीक है कि नहीं, slide में ये कम करो, ये concise करो, तो ये भी तो आप planning कर सकते हो ना. So I think it's important to get the sleep right. The second thing I do is silence. You know, I'm a very high energy person and it's very important to meditate, to get moments of just being alone and disconnected from the world. So every day I try to get 15-20 minutes of that at the beginning of the day and end of the day. It's worked wonders for me. Once a quarter I go away on solo trips. Again, very selfish, but extremely important for
Love
your
it.
reset button. So I think that for mental health, silence and
And
sleep.
meditation ke liye, do you use an app? Or
No,
do
I
you do
don't.
it
I think
yourself?
whatever works for you. You know, some people do Anulom Vilom, some people listen to a guided tape, some people like me listen to old Bollywood songs, some people just stare at nature and breathe and just sit quietly. You know, whatever makes you happy. I'm one of those advocates of see what works for you. Try 4 or 5 things and see what works for you.
So you put old Bollywood songs and you sit and you focus on your breath. That's what you do.
Yeah, that's what I do. I just sit and I just listen to music and I breathe and I just make sure I'm not talking to anyone or seeing anyone.
And
or
सुबह
being
सुबह नींद
distracted.
नहीं आ जाती. First thing, if I meditate, मैं तो सो जाऊंगी.
No, because when I'm having my tea, I like my gujju tea with my lemongrass and adrak and my
And
mint and my dudh wali chai. So absolutely. So at that time, it's almost
You're
like a
the only
meditation.
person putting lemongrass and doodh in the same
Yeah,
chai.
I'm
but,
quite crazy. But for me, milk is like a ritual. It has to be done right. And so those 15-20 minutes as I'm having my cup of tea, I'll put away my phone. I'm looking at the trees. I'm just kind of being with myself. So it's beautiful. We all should try it. So I think silence and sleep for mental health. Solo trips, like I said. And for physical health, you know, I've always been very disciplined. I've never had alcohol. I've never missed it. So I think alcohol does a lot of damage.
Yeah.
So there's nothing like
Compounds.
moderation. If you can get rid of alcohol from your life, please do. It's fabulous. I lead a gluten-free life. For my belly fat for menopause, I've started intermittent fasting. I can't do 16 hours, but 12 hours is working for me.
So 12,
yeah,
your
like a lot
window
of
of,
people,
eating is within 12 hours.
No, as in for 12 hours I don't eat. So if I've eaten, you know, I try to eat by 8 at night, and then my first thing that I'll have is 8 in the morning. But then also between 8 and noon, I try to eat very light. So bulk of my food is between noon and 8.
Got it. But for your workout, you don't feel like you need something?
My chai is good enough. Okay. So for me, when I have my cup of tea in the morning at 8 a.m., that's good enough for my.
Okay.
Actually, I have my cup of tea at 6:30, so it's not technically allowed in intermittent fasting, but I need my tea, and then I work out from 7 to 8 every morning. But the point I'm trying to make is try to eliminate or at least minimize the alcohol you take. Gluten-free is fabulous for women. Intermittent fasting, whatever you can do. I mean, I have friends who do 24 hours, 36 hours. I can't. I get massive headaches with it.
Yeah. And I feel
I
that,
get cranky and I get headaches.
And I feel that women have this thing that, you know, the sugar does dip if you...
No, and also, again, like I said, each, whatever works for you. So try it. If it works for you, 24, 36 hours, please do it because there's science to show. There's a brilliant book, Obesity Code, which actually talks about the science behind insulin resistance and how intermittent fasting helps you. A dear friend gave me that book and, you know, it's just been a game changer for me. Bottom line is do what works for you, but intermittent fasting works because you give your body rest in that period of time. So these are 2-3 hacks for me that have really worked for me. And the biggest hack for me is delete toxic people from my life. So I think the best thing that happened to me because of Shark Tank,
God.
I mean, honestly, the best thing that happened because of Shark Tank is I got trolled so much in season 1. Like everybody made me out to be this expertise nahi hai, I'm out. Emojis were made. Every other day a new reel was being made and it really, really put me into depression. And then there was one of two things, right? You sink or you swim. And fortunately for me, I came back stronger. So it made me very thick-skinned. I mean, now I can honestly say I really don't give a damn about anybody.
But you are telling me that 2021 ke pehle you weren't this person.
No, I was...
Because I've always known you to be this person.
No, I mean, I was always strong, but I did care about external validation. So I did care about being liked and disliked. I did care about my image.
Women, I mean, socially we care so much.
I cared about it. I mean, I don't want to lie. I cared about what people thought about me. I wanted to be popular. I wanted to be a people pleaser. I wanted to be liked. I wanted everyone to say, Dai chokri, good girl. I wanted that.
Yeah, and not just good girl, but good mom.
Everything.
Good,
I wanted
CEO,
all the
good,
labels. I wanted each and every label, like, Miss Universe.
Plus hot and, fashionable and all of that.
All those labels. And more importantly, I was very, very into external validation. But I think Shark Tank did that to me, that, I got trolled so much that I just went the other extreme. To when I don't give a damn. I'm not going to sugarcoat it. But it is fabulous to delete all the toxic people from your life. There are 3 people in my life whose opinion matters to me. I've given them the keys to my happiness.
Your dad?
I will tell you about that later. There are 3 people in my life who I have given the keys to my happiness. But other than those,
I know Vic is not one. That's all I know. Because the secret to a happy marriage is definitely not having the key in the hands of the husband.
But the point being that I don't let people affect me anymore. If I feel what I'm doing is okay, I do it. So I love this new version. And I think a lot of people are coming and telling me that why are you looking younger? You're glowing.
Yeah.
You're suddenly looking very happy. And I think it's a glow of self-love.
Yeah.
When you fall in love with yourself, I think that's the best glow that a woman can have. Where you say, yaar, bhaad mein jaye duniya. I'll do what I feel is right, and then people who love me
And
will
when did
love
that
me
happen? That
regardless.
switch where you were like unconditionally, I'm gonna love myself. Bahar mein jaye duniya.
3 years back. 3 years. I think menopause and that happened at the same time. So thank God it made my menopause journey a bit easier. But it happened 3 years back, and I can honestly say right now that I'm madly, deeply in love with myself. I take very good care of myself. I'm extremely selfish. I'm not going to sugarcoat it. But you know what? Let's stop caring about the world and start becoming selfish. Selfish is a good thing. And I genuinely, other than these 3 people, don't give a shit what anybody says about me or thinks about me. I live life on my terms, and I have the glow because of that.
Amazing. Yeah, I remember you said
Yeah.
that when you like yourself, your skin glows.
Yeah.
And I'm sure there is science to it. It's not just, that whole happiness, cortisol going down, happy hormones making your skin glow. I mean,
There's oxytocin.
Yeah.
There's oxytocin exists in our body, and when you do things that increase the oxytocin, there are again studies. I mean, I'm a you know me. I'm like a total Munimji. I'm a numbers person. I look at statistics. I read literature. I read science. I sit with doctors. There is science. I'm not just saying it. There's science to prove that when oxytocin increases in your body through all these things that you do for yourself, the little things you do to pamper yourself, you glow.
yeah. And I think one of the biggest causes of early aging, hair loss, everything is stress, right?
Yeah,
so,
yeah, of course.
I mean, this oxytocin is negating all that.
And
stress
life is
hormone.
too short, yeah. I mean, why stress? And also, I surround myself with people who give me love. So when I met you, I almost choked out there. I was so happy. It's like, I surround myself with people who give me a lot of love, who don't judge me. And I think just sitting for an hour with somebody like that who loves you, that increases your oxytocin level. So those deep social connects with few people, keep your circle small, delete the rest. कोई party वार्टी में जाने के, I've stopped going out. I probably go out like twice a year. I just call my dear ones at home. I'm sitting in my pajamas with my feet up. I have these kind of deep social connects, lots of hugs, and you'll see that love is the best medicine you can have.
And I'm asking this for myself, right?
Yeah.
Because I try to not care about others. I have the courage to be myself. But it's hard every now and then, some comment somewhere, somebody says something, even if it's not those
Yeah.
3 people, there'll be somebody who, you respect, who, doesn't treat you with respect. जब वो होता है, what is your self-talk? Like, how are you? I mean, I'm sure you also have those dark days, even though you are this version 2.0 who's incredibly bold and fearless. But what is your self-talk, Namita? कैसे अपने आप को वापस लाती है?
So again, I'll be very honest with you. I'm not God, I'm human.
Yeah.
There are days that I really hit rock bottom and I feel very, very low. It affects me. And on those days, even self-talk doesn't work. So even if I sit with a journal or even if I watch a lovely Bollywood movie to distract myself or go get a massage, it doesn't work. I still stay low and I still feel terrible. And I have one friend, and when I send a message and we have this back and forth, it lifts my spirit. So I think everyone needs that one friend where even if you can't meet that person, at least on WhatsApp or a quick phone call or just an exchange of an emoji, and you know that that person's there for you and they've got you covered. And I think just having that one friend where you can be absolutely your raw, vulnerable, pagal, flossom self, and you know that person will never judge you and they will love you and be there for you no matter what. That helps me bounce back. I try not to bother that person too much because I know everyone's busy and I tend to talk a lot and ramble and send long messages, and not everyone has a bandwidth for that. So
When you're angry, you send long messages. Our normal messages are like normal.
no,
length,
even
but
my
your angry
venting,
messages are long.
my venting messages are also very long, and I don't want to bother people because I tend to bother people and I tend to get obsessive with my messages. So I try to only get to that point when I can't help myself. But it's nice to know that there's one person who's always got you covered. So always have that.
So women, Namita ka beauty secret hai friendships and self-love. I love it. I
Yes.
think that's, you
Yes.
know, because
Yes.
everything else is expensive, right? Like getting an injection. But
You know,
this
the
is
best
free.
things in life are free.
Absolutely.
Not great for our business to say that, but it's a fact that the best things in life are free. Talk
Awesome.
about self-love and friendships, they're free. But they're
Amazing.
priceless.
Awesome. So what we've done is आपके सारे famous one-liners वहाँ पे डाले हैं. I wanted my team to also include. I spent 8 years in the US and I only shop on Myntra.
You
And
imitate me so well.
मंजिल मिलेगी भटक कर कहीं. I love that. वो क्या पहुँचेगा जो घर से निकले ही नहीं.
My God.
But
You
no,
butchered my shairi, but you do it well.
But no, these are the good ones. These are all
Okay.
our, you know, genuinely, incredibly famous viral
Nice.
one-liners. So I'm gonna pitch like random products as on Shark Tank, and you have to respond with one of your one-liners. All
Okay.
right? Yeah. Okay. This sunscreen works so well that you don't need to apply it every day. एक दिन लगाया, सालों साल चलेगा.
Less is more.
Have you also said that line on Shark
No,
Tank?
but
Okay. Oh, you're making it
I
up.
have said it very often in life. I have a board and I absolutely live my life by that. Less is more.
Incredible. Okay. A skincare line which is so natural that मैं इसको खा सकती हूँ. आप खाना चाहेंगी नमिता जी?
You want me to say something? ये मेरी expertise नहीं है. I'm out. Can I use that for everything that you ask me?
No, there'll be some good ones, I hope. This collagen supplement promises to give you glowing skin in just 7 days.
But ये तो बहुत cluttered market है. तो ये supplement में क्या USP है कि it'll give me glowing skin? Cluttered.
Cluttered market में आप invest नहीं करती.
How much I got trolled for that?
ठीक है, चलो. We'll come back to Earth.
Oh my God, my favorite, my new baby.
Your new baby. So
My new baby,
How
Earth.
does it feel to like investor से सीधा founder के shoes में building something from scratch with so much love and passion? I can see that passion in every post of yours. I'm like, this girl's like going all out.
I know. I'm loving it, and I'm wondering like why didn't I do this before? But multiple things, right? So number one, when I was handling the domestic business in MCure, there were 5,000 people reporting to me. 3,500 or 4,000 were medical representatives. So I mean, imagine I've gone from a team of 5,000 people to now Earth team is only 15 people.
What?
So I have to roll up my sleeves and do the work. You know, there's no delegation anymore, and it's lovely because I think till you don't do the work, you don't get it. Secondly, now my life is all with these terms of ACOS and TACOS and CVR and CTR and oh my CAC, my
CM
God.
1, 2, 3,
I think
4,
I think
5.
someone wakes me up at 2 in the morning, I'll be like CAC, CTR, CVR. You know, so I think I'm really sitting and learning from scratch what I need to learn to be a winner on all these different platforms. The third thing is that there's no playbook, right? So in MCure there was a playbook. When you go to doctors, you know, there are these conferences and ad boards and there's literature. There's a certain way you deal with doctors who are your consumers. But supplements industry in India is so new that there are no rules, and it's
Category
given
creation.
us an opportunity to be a category creator, to write the rules. And the problem is there are a lot of fake supplements. I won't name the companies, but they're companies that are publishing fake trials. Right?
Trials?
Yes, and then there are fake marketing claims
God.
being made. So my point is that in an industry where in India there's a lot of fake going on,
Because
whether
this is going inside our system.
so there's not just fake supplements, but there's fake trials and there's fake claims. I think MCure and Earth can stand out as a beacon of integrity in terms of educating. So I have fantastic relationship with doctors, and I'm doing Insta Live, I'm making reels through them, and I'm really working hard to make sure that even the UGC content is educational in nature, because people genuinely don't know क्या लेना चाहिए, कब लेना चाहिए, कितना लेना चाहिए, कितने महीने लेना चाहिए और इससे outcome क्या होगा. So I want to simplify it for them and make it easy. And I think that if people can trust what we're giving them, it can become a big thing. And you know, the beauty, I have to tell you, this Arata where we invested together. I mean, the Dhruv and Dhruv. I sat with them and they have been helping me for hours.
Oh, really?
They sit with me, they show me the dashboards they use, they've introduced me to their digital marketing head who's telling me which search words work and which ones to eliminate, what campaigns to run, and it's fantastic.
It's
so you know,
amazing
हमें
and
लगा
you're doing a
के
great job.
हमें
You're all
लगा
over
कि
quick
हम
commerce.
हमारे founders को मदद कर रहे हैं. And हमारे founders have become my teachers now. So my Shark Tank guys have just come through for me. And this is a great opportunity, like I said, for me to be a category creator, and I'm loving it.
But why are you doing it? You didn't need to do it. I mean, you already had everything. You had a large company. 0 to 1 वाली struggle जो है, मतलब
It is a struggle. I never used to get headaches. मैं लोगों को सरदर्द देती थी, मुझे कभी लाइफ में हेडेक नहीं हुआ. I started getting headaches. Because sometimes when I'm very stressed, I get headaches. So my point is that yes, it takes a toll. You know, I used to get my salon days and all. They were always scheduled. Now I don't even remember the last time I got a facial, and I need to get better about that selfish thing. But yes, it's taken a toll on my health. It's taken a toll on my life because I'm traveling like crazy. But it's fun. I'm so excited when I wake up every morning. And if I don't do it now, Vineeta, when? Right? So I think it's a perfect time. There are tailwinds in the market. It's an opportunity for me to really get India into supplements and health and wellness, and I'm excited about doing it.
And what's been like the biggest failure so far in the 0 to 1 journey? Because I don't think it's possible to build a business without failing.
Oh, many failures. So like, you know, we kind of came up with this like you say, Todu, your favorite word, product, which we thought will just be a game changer. And then right before launch, the capsules started having this terrible smell. And then we just had to literally throw away everything, right? And that was like a 25-30 lakh hit, which at MQ level would have been like, oh, 25 lakhs. But here with this PNL, 25 lakhs is going to kill me, right? Because there's no revenue coming in. And so there have been a lot of such instances. I've been the guinea pig. So for example, Brahmi helps you with memory, but Brahmi tastes like crap.
Oh, really?
So in a capsule form, it didn't matter. But when we were trying to make the gummies, I tried 12 versions of Brahmis till I found the taste okay. And trust me, the first 11 versions were yuck. So I would like take a Brahmi and be like, "Wah, itna ganda hai." So I have been the guinea pig for a lot of the products. Each product has been picked by me. The formulation, I've sat with the doctors and worked on it. The manufacturers, I've gone to their facilities, made sure that I'm okay with them. So I've really done the groundwork and I'm loving it. But yeah, there have been lots of failures. Lots of failures in terms of product recalls, or a product that we thought was great, didn't sell at all, so we discontinued it. But that's all part of the learning, so it's all good.
And you are one of the few people who comes from pharma industry but really believes in Ayurveda and like
even homeopathy.
Yeah. So how are you balancing, like, you know, which side are you going more towards with the supplements? Because abhi explosion sab taraf ho raha hai. There's one NMN and all of the very science backed supplements, and then there is the Brahmi, Ashwagandha, all of those are coming back. So which side are you planning to take, Arth, and what do you think works best for women?
I think that's a great question because I think you can do both. I don't think you have to choose or pick one or the other. And I sell what I would take. Right? So I love my iron gummies because I've always been anemic. And so for me, taking iron gummies daily for my energy is like I can't think about not having iron gummies, right? Then Shark Tank disrupted our sleep. So I take melatonin when I need to. So those are all on the chemical side, right? Whether it's my iron gummies or my vulva cream or my sleep gummies, they're all on the chemistry side. But then there's Brahmi. I mean, I met a psychiatrist, and during a podcast, he told me that Mangalore mein toh, you know, his grandmother used to grow Brahmi in the garden, make chutney and give him. It's there in our Vedas, and he has a little plant in his Bombay terrace now, gives it to his grandson. So this is something that there's even international trials to prove that it works with your memory. So I'm doing Brahmi. I went to Ananda, you know, the health spa, and the acupuncturist there told me, Namita, please Kesar shuru kijiye. It's a game changer. And ever since I've started taking Kesar, it's been amazing for my skin. And every day, you know, I would just soak those strands. Too much tam jham. When I'm traveling, what do? So I launched gummies because then the individual packs I've sourced the best Kesar you can imagine. I've taken care of that. And then I just pop those gummies when I'm traveling. So when I'm home, I can do the strands and the soaking the water. But when I'm traveling, I have my gummies, and I believe in Kesar. And there are, again, trials to prove that it works, right? In fact, there's a LA psychiatrist who's launched his own gummy, and Khloe Kardashian is on every podcast talking about how Kesar has been a game changer for her.
Amazing.
It's all in public domain.
What turmeric ka jo big wave aaya tha,
I think Kesar and Brahmi are going to be the next wave. And believe it or not, Kesar is not just for skin. If you see the trials, there are two things that Kesar, in addition to skin, I mean, Kesar for skin, our nannies have been telling us, Kesar ka doodh, Kesar isme dalo, usme dalo, it's good for your skin.
And even apply it.
Absolutely. But Kesar has been great even for two other things. One is an antidepressant, and there are trials to prove that. And two, it's great for sexual function. I mean, it's as good
Bring
or
it
better,
on.
as good or better than Shilajit. You know, I think Kesar can be
So
the
for
next.
men as well.
Kesar can be the next Shilajit in India. So, and there are trials and I have documentation. So the three benefits we talk about for Kesar is skin and your mood and your sexual function. So when you talk about Ayurveda, I'm a big believer in the single ingredient products like Brahmi and Kesar. But at the same time, I have my allopathy that I believe in and the 4 or 5 that I'm personally using.
And
so it's a
for
mix.
Ayurveda also, you are picking the ones where you're seeing the trials yourself.
Absolutely.
So, yahan trial hai, data
There
hai,
are trials on Kesar, international ones too, and there are trials on Brahmi. So I'm very particular that whatever Ayurveda I'm picking, it is numbers backed, it is science backed, and there are publications supporting it even in international, very reputed journals that doctors support.
And what else for skin and hair do you recommend in terms of just supplementing? Because I think agar all of us are going to go through menopause at some point, we need something to combat the lack of
So,
collagen.
after a certain age, women should take calcium because, so I did an MRI and I have a bad frozen shoulder.
Oh.
Really bad frozen shoulder.
And that's
my
also a
entire
menopause.
gym and everything has got disrupted. So your muscle mass goes for a toss.
Yeah.
And so taking calcium is really good. I take magnesium because magnesium is very good in terms of just calming you, your sleep it regulates. And so magnesium and calcium is something I think you can take daily. For people who are going through crazy menopause the way I am, I have a supplement that has ashwagandha for mood and black cohosh and chaseberry for hot flashes and isoflavones for hormones. So I didn't take it throughout, but I took it for 3 months when I felt I was like dying. Then I gave it a break and then I took it again when I felt again the symptoms were too much. So I don't take it throughout, but I take it as and when needed. So for me, I think calcium, magnesium, you must take. And you must take this perimenopause supplement when you're dying.
I was taking calcium,
The coral calcium.
Yeah, but it also has vitamin D.
Yes.
So then vitamin D, because that's the only thing जो मेरा कम आता है. बाकी
Everybody
सब
in
तो
India is low on vitamin D and vitamin B12.
Yeah.
वो तो है ही India में. So that's why the calcium that we have, we put vitamin D in it.
So, but that vitamin D will help me raise the vitamin D
It
level.
should. It should. But depends. I'm always, I always say, bhai, तुम पहले blood test कराओ, and if your vitamin D is very low, then the vitamin D in my calcium is not enough for you.
Okay.
Then you need to take a much higher IU of vitamin D.
Okay.
So please, get a blood test done if you feel you're very low. Correct it. Then once your vitamin D level is up, then this can be taken for maintenance. So that's what I recommend
Because
to
every time
everybody.
I see one of your reels, I buy a supplement. And now I have a drawer full of supplements. And
Thank you very much for doing that.
The adherence is a problem for
Yeah,
me. Like, so if I have to start first, you're saying calcium for sure.
Calcium, magnesium, and since you're in the middle of perimenopause, the vulva cream, the Kesar gummies, the perimenopause supplement. I mean, what I do is I tell people don't take everything.
Yeah.
Take 2 things, see if it's working or not, then take a couple of other things. Like, just you should know now what's working on you. If you take 7 things, you won't know what's working. I start with a couple, give it 2-3 months, see if it's working or not. Then whatever is working, I continue. I try a new one after 2-3 months. So I keep seeing what works for my body because different things work for different people's body. And you're so much into your gym and you're like amazing with the marathons you run. And I've seen some of your fitness reels. I mean, they're insane.
Which is why calcium.
Be very careful what electrolyte you're taking because aajkal market mein, again, I'm not going to put down companies, but there are people selling electrolytes with crazy level of sodium.
Oh, really?
And you should not be having that much sodium in your electrolyte because the kind of gym we do or the hydration we're looking for, we don't need that much sodium. And too much sodium, it's bad for your body. Then only ORS, which is a medicine and you need in extreme situations, it's okay to have that much sodium. But aajkal log electrolyte ke naam pe itna sodium dal rahe hai. So please, Vinita, if you're taking electrolytes, be careful of the sodium.
Yeah,
levels.
because हम salt में तो कम sodium ले रहे हैं.
And
तो
anyway,
उसके बाद-
Indian diet is very heavy on sodium and we need only 2000 mg per day. खाने में वो सब आ जाता है तो electrolyte में इतनी डालने की क्या जरूरत है? So just be careful on that.
No,
part.
I take electrolytes only race के time. बाकी time पे I actually don't because I don't,
Exactly.
like you said, I don't.
You don't
sweat
need
as
it
much.
on a regular basis. You need it only when you're sweating like crazy and you need to replenish those minerals.
But
So-
I'm very paranoid about this कि menopause के time 30% bone loss, 30%
Oh, yeah.
muscle loss.
My frozen shoulder.
So-
I've never done an MRI in my life. मेरा पहला MRI and it was a bad muscle tear that I got. And I must say I've always been fit and I've been doing weights and I'm careful. तो अगर मुझे हो सकता है तो किसी को भी हो सकता है. Right? You have to be careful.
And what about younger people like women and like men, women 20s, 30s में? What is that one supplement that they need based on what you've seen in India?
You know, that I think is very difficult to answer because it depends on what symptom they're facing.
So ideally
Okay.
अगर कुछ symptom नहीं है
symptom नहीं है
and
तो मत लो ना.
मत कुछ भी मत लो.
Yeah, but
खाना
अगर कोई
अच्छा खाओ.
symptom है, खाना
हाँ.
अच्छा खाओ. I always say food is your best medicine. And but nowadays food doesn't give you all the micronutrients, and there's a lot of adulteration. Your fake paneer, your fake this, fake that. So because of all those fake things and food not giving you enough nutrition, you need the supplement. So first see what you're feeling. Like I know a lot of girls are taking my biotin supplement because it has a keratin builder and hyaluronic acid, and you know, it's helping them with their hair loss. Iron, you won't believe, our tagline is fix the inside to fix the outside. You feel iron is just for energy, but you have massive hair loss, brittle nails, cracked lips and dull skin when you're low on iron. So a lot of young girls nowadays in India, because of heavy bleeding during their periods, they're low on iron. So for the younger girls, I'll say check your hemoglobin level. You may need to take iron to fix your
and
looks.
अगर 12 plus है मतलब I know
तो then
उसमें
मत लो ना.
13 14 बोलते हैं but generally 11 12 is considered
It's fine. Then don't take it.
Then
But
don't take it.
I think I have a propensity that even when I bring it to 12, mine tends to drop because I'm vegetarian and my diet doesn't always have the right stuff that I need for iron. Not enough of what I need for my RDA. For iron, so I take it regardless. So it depends again on if your food is giving it to you, don't take it. But if you feel your food is not balanced and you're traveling a lot and you have hectic schedules that are not giving you the micronutrients you need, then go ahead and take it.
Oh, I remember हम लोग जब साथ में travel किए थे Namita always carries her डब्बा because she like 5-star hotel का भी खाना में adulteration
I don't
हो
eat
सकता है, I
out.
will not
I
trust
don't
it,
eat
I
out at
carry-
all. And just like I'm saying, don't take alcohol. I will be the biggest, advocate of
घर का
please
खाना.
घर का खाना खाओ. You know, it's the best and it's so good for you.
most underrated.
Yeah, so I
think.
carry my food everywhere. Wherever I can, I carry my food. Only if it's desperate times, then I eat. Or if it's a Rambagh Marwadi thali, then I will eat outside.
Indulgence.
That indulgence is a must.
And what is this connection between gluten and women? Like hormones का कोई connection है? Why is gluten bad for women?
Again, it's very individual, Vinita, but most women, when they give up gluten and have a gluten-free life, they just feel lighter, they feel more energetic, and they sleep better. So again, you have to try it on your body. But most women who've gone gluten-free, it's worked wonders for them. So I highly advocate it. And you know, jawar roti, bajra roti, they taste delicious. Nachni roti. I mean, I have a full recipe book of gluten-free stuff that's absolutely delicious. So थोड़ी मेहनत करो when you're
I'm also
commuting.
mixing it.
Yeah, when you're commuting
with
now,
the
you can
normal
look up
roti,
some nice
but
recipes.
like wheat give up करना बहुत बड़ा
No,
मुश्किल.
don't give it up completely. Like, hello, I love my aloo parathas. And
Exactly.
I
Aloo
love
paratha
my,
nahi
oh my
bajra
God,
mein
how
bana
can
sakte, jawar mein
anyone
nachni.
in life live without aloo parathas,
Yeah,
right?
aloo paratha.
I mean,
Sunday breakfast, aloo
and
paratha.
chaat, and you know, I need my gluten, so I've not given it up completely. But once in a while, it's nice to sin na, and to feel like good. Even that gives you a glow. Ke thoda ghee dal ke ekdam khaya hai. But my point is that 80% of the times you should be disciplined. 20% you can indulge in, sin a bit.
And tell me about your, you know, abhi everybody knows you as like you went represented India at Cannes. You have somebody who's really like iconic in terms of all your looks and, you know, all the fashion that you've been putting out there. When did this interest come up? Because I know that growing up you were conscious, just like me, of the way you look.
Yeah.
तो ये ट्रांजिशन कब हुआ एंड यू नो आपने मतलब अपनी सेल्फ इमेज को कैसे टर्न अराउंड किया?
I think it's not just us. I think most girls in India who grew up, I mean, we're all 40 plus, right? Who grew up in that era, there was just a lot of social conditioning of behaving a certain way, a lot of judgment, stereotypical. I've spoken about how my mother used to make me walk with a book on my head because I had this penguin walk, and she made me take singing classes because आवाज बहुत मोटी थी, and dancing classes become a little more feminine or whatever. So I've dealt with all of that to make
dancing
me.
classes definitely worked. Still working.
No, I mean, they're like Kathak classes, which I was a disaster at. I did it for all of 6 months and abandoned it. But the point is that there were a lot of stereotypes of what a woman should speak like. I was always told I'm too loud and I talk too much and blah, blah, blah. So there was a lot of judgment. And I think because of that judgment, we always had a lot of self-esteem issues when it came to our looks. And I dressed down a lot at work because I felt that if I put a lot of makeup and was glamorous, people would think I'm dumb because you can't be intelligent
Also,
and look good at the same time.
You must be the only
It's very,
woman in the room.
not just that, it's very traditional. It's still a very legacy environment. So I did all of that. And then again, Shark Tank was a game changer because I said, enough now, bas ho gaya, abhi mujhe jo karna hai main karungi. And I loved having someone do my makeup and a stylist tell me some fun clothes too, and I enjoyed it so much that I'm like, abhi yahi zindagi
Life is
hai.
too short.
Yeah, life is too short. Enjoy karo. So
But
but Shark Tank was a game changer for me.
But as a young girl, when you were in like school, college, were you like the pretty girl or were you the self-conscious?
I never got hit on. I wish I used to crave. Arey, koi to, somebody should send me that Valentine's Day red roses and love
Secret
letters.
flower.
And I used to see my friends getting it, and I used to feel so bad because I really wanted all of that, and I never got all of that. I never got any attention the way I craved for it. So, but abhi mil raha hai to theek hai.
Abhi like exponentially 100x
Abhi mil raha hai to theek
more
hai.
than compensating for
It's
it.
okay. But yeah, I mean, I think hopefully the next generation is not as crazy as we were. They're kinder to themselves. And I think that's the one important thing, be kind. When you are kind to others and kind to yourself, that's very important. And I think the girls nowadays know that you're enough for yourself. You don't need too many friends. You don't need too much taam-jham in your life. You are enough for yourself. Khushi andar dhondo.
Yeah,
Fir bahar se glow aayega.
I agree. I think in my mom's generation, I feel that like वो 60s में आता था एक that zone where they were like, I don't care about anything else. I'm gonna live life in my terms. हमारी generation में वो 40s में switch आ गया है. But I'm seeing that younger girls at 20, 25 are like live life on our own
I think
terms.
that's wonderful.
Judgment करना है तो करने
I'm
दो.
so happy to see that.
Yeah.
I mean, the younger girls are like a breath of fresh air, and I just love seeing their attitudes. And I hope that more and more of them join the workforce because we need that too.
Yeah.
But they're just fabulous. So there's hope.
All right, before we go to rapid fire and games, I have my last two questions, which I've been
Okay.
meaning to ask you personally. ये podcast के बहाने मैं अपने खुद की therapy करा रही हूँ.
Okay.
तो पहला तो है, like जब हम Shark Tank set पे आते हैं, all of us have this entourage, and मेरा तो बहुत मजाक उड़ाते हैं because मेरे team की सारी girls
But you're the
आती हैं मेरे साथ.
sweetest girls.
Yeah,
I
I
love
know,
Gia.
like girl gang.
Yeah.
And but it just because इतना overwhelming होता है set पे जाना, but you are always there by yourself doing everything on your own, including putting your looks together. How and why do you do it when you have 5,000 people who can help you?
Till today, I manage my own social media. Right from what to post, what caption to write, when to post. That's why you'll see some posts at 6 a.m. in the morning. I don't have anybody doing my social media. I just have this young kid, 25-year-old, who takes a nice video and edits the video so it looks a little classy. But
What scripting you do?
I write my own reel. So every health reel, I write my own scripts. I love writing. For me, writing is therapeutic. So for me, I don't have a PR person. MCure has a PR person. I don't have a PR person. I don't have a social media person. I don't have a script writer. I do everything on my own because for me, I think the authenticity comes through when no one is telling you what to do and when you're just got that silence to listen to your heart. So for me, coming alone and doing it all on my own helps me stay connected to my inner voice, and then that's why the authenticity comes out. So I'm a solo operator.
No, I think that's why social media is also going. I think the whole PR language, even for brands.
Yeah.
पहले जो चलता था कि you like have like perfectly shot things. आज अगर उसमें एक flaw है तो ही वो content चलेगा.
Yeah, and when you're doing it on your own, flaws तो आएंगे ही. I mean, there's always going to be
and
flaws.
everybody wants to know behind the scenes what's going on, the dark stuff.
Yeah.
That's incredible. And of course, our favorite topic. We're both mothers of 2 boys. And strong feminists.
Oh yeah, that too.
How do we raise our boys to maybe either be feminists or at least be respectful of women? क्या करें हम and क्या करना चाहिए हमें as mothers?
I think that's a great question. So for me, feminism means freedom. Okay, I mean, I should have the freedom to do what I feel is right and not what someone else thinks is right, right? So the day women have that freedom, that's feminism to me. To me, it's very important that boys, what they're watching their mother, the way they're watching their mother behave, that's how they're going to treat their wives. So every time I feel that I'm being disrespected or something I'm putting up with that I should not silently put up with, I speak up. And I think when my boys see that I'm speaking up and standing up for myself, they will realize what their wives are going to do, and they will realize what their daughters are going to do, and they're going to realize what their friends who are girls were going to do. And I think they'll just have better relationships with women if they realize the boundaries that women will put up and not put up with.
Yeah.
So I make sure that I'm a good role model so that they know how to respect all the women in their lives.
Yeah, I think our boys will grow up in a world where women are not going to put up with the kind of stuff that हमारे generation में girls put up
Yeah,
with. And
definitely.
I think them being mindful and extra respectful will make a huge difference.
I used to feel that silence is a good thing, and I think that hurts our boys. You need to speak up, and you need to define your boundaries and say this is not okay when something not okay happens to you. And so I went completely from silent to becoming a very, very, sort of outspoken mom. And I think that that's good education for my boys. I'm not going to sugarcoat it, but silence is not always good. Speak up when you think that somebody is not respecting your boundaries. I think that's very, very important. Start speaking up.
And I think that on social media, इतना ज़्यादा अभी 10x content है, which actually makes boys sometimes feel that they need to be anti-feminism. That I feel that like the more we do it at home, it will compensate for some of that noise
वो
out
तो है विनीता, but let me tell you a beautiful reality. आज की जो लड़कियां हैं ना, वो हमारे लड़कों को सिखा देगी जो सिखाना है. They're not going to put up with shit, and their best lessons are going to come from their girlfriends, their friends who are girls, their sisters, and all the women that they work with in the workforce. They will teach them the best lesson. तो हम जितना सिखाए ठीक है, उनको वहाँ भी बहुत सीख मिलेगी, because the new girls are a different breed altogether.
Incredible. So here's to raising boys who treat women with respect and
A lot of respect.
Yeah. All right. Rapid fire round, and I want you to be super quick.
Okay.
If you're not quick, हम pause edit करेंगे. Because you're my friend.
Done,
Only
done.
because you're my
Only
friend.
because I'm your friend. Okay,
And I'm not Bimal.
Done. And you're not Bimal. Yes, thank God for that.
सारी embarrassment डाल देता है. ठीक है. One thing you think women should stop apologizing for?
For being ambitious and career driven.
Absolutely.
And for
Bring that
dreaming big.
ambition out of the closet.
For dreaming big.
Absolutely. A beauty or wellness trend you secretly think is overrated?
All those IV injections, yeah. I mean,
But listen, those ice dunks you've been doing, it really helps, huh? The
I
ice-
did it once.
Yeah.
The face ice dunks. I love it.
You love it.
Because my itna water retention hota hai perimenopause mein that it helps.
Okay.
It just takes out all the swelling on your face.
So that's not an overrated trend.
No,
That's
I
a
love
good-
it because it takes out for menopausal women. It takes away all the swelling.
Puffiness.
मेरा पूरा puffiness कम हो जाता है. Helps me.
I saw that you put that post and everybody's like, अरे
आटे
वो स्टील
गूंद
की
रही
परत,
है।
हाँ स्टील की परत अमीरों के घर पे भी है. I was like, how do you think आटा हम गूंदेंगे?
Not just steel का बर्तन. It was an आटा गूंदने वाला.
I know, but people were so shocked. I was like, what do they think? नमिता आटा गूंदने के लिए क्या डायमंड का यूज करती है? मतलब what is the
वो
doubt?
अमन ने सब खराब कर दिया ना 20 लाख के जूते बोल के. That's why.
The original was the 10 lakh का dining table.
Oh yeah. Oh my God. Let's not forget that. Oh, that dining table didn't belong to me, but.
Okay. If you weren't in pharma, what would you be doing today?
Teacher. I love teaching. I love being around young minds, and I think that's just fabulous.
Yeah, and I love the work you're doing with your academy.
Thank you.
Like, thousands of entrepreneurs are going to come out of that.
Thank you. So kind
Incredible.
of you. I love it. I think that kids teach me more than I teach them. They're just fun.
Incredible. So, between boardrooms and Shark Tank sets, where do you feel most yourself?
Boardroom, because see, Shark Tank is 20 days out of 365 days. Rest of the days तो हमारा काम होता है, and I love my job and I wake up every morning excited to work. So boardroom.
What's the one piece of advice that you'll give to women founders pitching on Shark Tank?
Don't put up with shit from sharks. I mean, there are like some sharks, let's not name them. I think they're television actors now. But there are some sharks who've got away with talking crap like ये आपकी hobby है क्या? आप अमीर खानदान से आते हो तो मतलब serious हो क्या? And a lot of
ये
those
सिर्फ लड़कियों को पूछा जाता है, right? Like,
hobby वाला तो definitely 2-3 girls were asked that question कि आप serious हो कि ये hobby है आपके लिए? And I was like, seriously? And a lot of such questions have been asked, कि why are you the CEO and things like that. So, I always tell women that don't put up with crap. And we may be sharks, but you have your self-pride and respect. And anybody who crosses those boundaries and says things that they should not be telling you, speak up and say, hey, I'm not going to put up with this.
so sell your business, but not your dignity. Even if
Absolutely.
it's Shark Tank,
Your
even if it's for the
self-respect, your pride is the most important. Whether it's a shark, a husband, a co-worker, a son, don't put up with people messing with your self-respect.
Love it. That should be the women's manifesto. One makeup product that you always carry with yourself.
Lipstick. I think lipstick just brightens up your face.
Yeah.
Oh, by the way,
All right then.
love sugar lipstick.
Thank
मैंने
you.
कितने reels बनाए
I
even
know,
on Shark Tank
you're
where I
my-
use your
You're
products.
my most stunning ambassador.
I just love your lipsticks and I use them very often. So I mean, this is ये authentic है.
Thank you. Give one piece of beauty advice, and then I'll ask you one for health and one for entrepreneurship. One piece of beauty advice.
Love yourself.
All right.
Surround yourself with people who love you, and then you'll always glow.
Awesome. One health advice especially for young people.
Sleep.
8
आजकल
hours.
लोग सो नहीं रहे. Please sleep. Be consistent. Sleep at the same time every night and wake up at the same time. ऐसे नहीं कि 2 बजे सो गए तो फिर it's okay.
And
It's
ऐसे
not
नहीं है कि
okay.
weekend में 12 घंटे सो
You can't catch up. No. Discipline. Consistency in your sleep routine and sleep for God's sake. It's a health crisis.
Yep. All right. And entrepreneurs, what's the one piece of advice?
Keep bouncing back. You know, I think having that bouncing board is important because as an entrepreneur, and I'm seeing that at Arth, it's a life full of setbacks. But keep that beautiful smile and keep bouncing back.
Amazing. What do you want your legacy to be beyond business and TV?
अरे भाई ये सब मेरे को पूछते हैं every podcast I say the same thing यार किसी को time नहीं है after I'm dead no one's even going to think about me for 2 seconds. My point is ये legacy कुछ नहीं है. I think just my biggest thing is be kind. You know, people are going through a lot of shit. Be kind, spread love. If people just remember me as someone who was kind and spread love, that's enough. Yeah, बहुत हो गया.
I think you were like the voice of every woman. And I feel that the way you stand up for women's health, for women's confidence, for women's rights, I think that advocacy and now that you're doing for menopause and, you know, the taboo subjects, everything from talking about your own IVF story, it's very hard. It's not easy at
No, but
all.
Vinita,
And that is your
I
legacy.
want to please clarify that though I do all this, I have my moments where I go in the bathroom and cry and I go and emotionally eat and finish way too much sugar because I'm so down. And I have many low moments as well. So please, you know, yes, I do my bit because I feel it's important and because I have a voice and I should use that voice responsibly to discuss taboo topics and to inspire people. But please don't think of me as somebody who has everything sorted out because for God's sake, I don't have things sorted out and I have my moments of emotional eating and crying and depression and all of that. But it's okay. Just learn to bounce back and have people who help you bounce back.
Okay. Awesome. If hormones had a personality, which one do you think is the real troublemaker for women's skin?
Bhai saab, estrogen. Ever since my estrogen has dropped, I'm
missing it.
dry as hell all over.
Do you think we should do HRT as a skincare treatment?
You know, I haven't done HRT because
Okay.
I'm a big believer in using my supplements and natural remedies like my kesar and all of that to help myself. But you know, if it works for you, do it. There's nothing wrong with doing whatever's working for you.
And you did not do it because of the breast cancer fear? Or?
No, I think there's a lot of misinformation going around. I didn't do it because my supplements and my routine that I changed to take care of my new phase was working for me.
But sorry, like
Yeah.
2-3 साल अगर delay कर दें हम menopause and it helps us with our bone health and it helps us with just, you know, the like collagen in our system. So is there any harm?
बट डिले क्यों करना है ना अभी जो हो रहा है एक्सेप्ट कर लो एंड डील विद इट मुझे कोई लाइफ में डिले नहीं करना है
cardiovascular impact like
है
risk?
ना है बट ठीक है इट्स ओके आई मीन यस देयर इज अ कार्डियोवैस्कुलर इम्पैक्ट ऑफ एस्ट्रोजन गोइंग डाउन बट देन लीड अ गुड लाइफ
To compensate for that.
yeah lead a good life and if you are leading a healthy life you'll be fine
So if you can be sattvic
Just-
like Namita, you don't really need a chart.
yeah so no hello
But for lesser mortals.
no hello if you're sattvic also but you're dying and your routine is not helping you go for it see I always say yaar Namita is not some gold standard I mean I have like I said I'm not sorted myself so don't just go with everything I say your body will give you signs and signals so listen to what your body is telling you and do what works best for your body try 2-3 different things and then see what's working best for your body let your body guide you that's very important.
Okay, they'll kill me. I always make rapid fire long questions. But one myth about hormones and skin you wish more women stop believing.
You know, everybody thinks perimenopause यानी aging. अरे how much मस्ती we are doing, glam sham हो
You
रहे
are
हैं,
aging backward.
Bollywood पे नाच रहे हैं, क्या नहीं कर रहे हैं हम लोग. तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि you know age is just a number.
So perimenopause can be sexy too.
Oh yeah, it's have fun, girls.
All right
Life
then.
is short. Have fun.
Okay, if you had to choose gun to head founder or investor, which one would you choose?
As in what I would prefer being? Oh, definitely founder. So much more fun. I'm
But you make an
loving
incredible
it.
shark.
No, but if I had to pick, I mean, firstly, I don't think we should pick. I can be both.
Yeah, of course.
But if I had to pick, gun
Because
to
this is
head,
rapid fire, we make you
yeah,
decisions.
then founder. Because I'm loving my journey with Arth. So much fun. पहले क्यों नहीं किया विनीता? बोलना चाहिए था ना सीजन 1 में ही कि कर लो.
कि फाउंडर बन जाओ,
हाँ.
but अभी टाइमिंग है. तुम 3 साल पहले
Timing है.
करती तो कैटेगरी क्रिएशन नहीं होगा.
You're right.
You've got
So
the
it's a
timing.
you know,
Bang
a
on,
lot
the
of times
tailwinds
it's
are
like
right
right thing at the right time.
Yeah.
अब मजा आ
Time
रहा
to
है
be.
अभी. I'm having fun.
Amazing.
Yeah,
Welcome to the
yeah.
dark side. All right, last one, again controversial. If you had to choose between money and fame.
अरे neither. ना मेरे को, I mean, you know, money and fame doesn't buy you love. I would pick love. I would give up all the money and I would give up all the fame for love, because you have glow on your skin and you have peace in your life.
And love from the 3 people plus a few more maybe. But
I think love.
not really love
I
from
would give
the
up
millions of followers. That you have.
No, that doesn't matter. I mean, it's nice. I love being loved by the nation and a lot of my fans. I'm not going to say no to that. I love it. But that's not the kind of love I'm talking about. I'm talking about deep, deep bonds that bring a smile to your face. And so, Vinita, I would give up all my money and fame in a minute if I had to choose between that and love.
All right, so may you have all the love, not just from the people that you care about, but also from the millions who look up to you.
Thank you.
Especially people like me who see you as like the epitome of
I
courage.
love you too.
And I always say feminism is like, you know, when women support other women.
Yes,
And you are
yes.
the one person who, for me, in my darkest of hours, has always stood up against everybody else and supported me. So-
Likewise, Vinita, you've done the same for me.
And-
so I
and-
think
and
we
even this
have
podcast,
a beautiful
dragged
sisterhood.
Yeah, I dragged you from Pune to come over here, and you don't do podcasts, but you agreed to do this for me. Thank you so much.
I
love
would
you
do
so much.
anything for you. You know that. I would do anything for you, and I know you would do anything for me. And that's what sisterhood is all about. And if you don't have that in life, there's no point, no?
Super awesome. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Love you.
Love you. The
Acha. Describe your morning skincare routine as if you're a movie narrator. You know, I take my kesar and I take my almonds, soaked almonds with the skin removed, and I think that just works wonders for my skin.
awesome. I think ये कहाँ डालना होता है? ओ साइड में रखना होता है. अच्छा, मोहसिन बहुत लेट बताया. All right.
इंडियन पुलिस जैसा मर्डर के बाद पहुंचा मौसी.
One product you wish you'd invested in but didn't. This is my question.
This is yours.
Okay. One product I wish, there were a lot of them actually, which I wish I'd invested in. There was this good perfume company last season.
किया ना आदिल कादरी में और परफ्यूम करना है तेरे को कितने
मैं भूल गई.
तू ना ऑब्सेशन हो गया खाना मतलब 5 खाने की कंपनी परफ्यूम इसको 5 चाहिए then I have to control Vinita
And fashion.
how many times I've controlled you
I know, so many
from
times.
the other end of the room I'm like don't invest
कभी-कभी तो चेक साइन करने के बाद फाड़ना पड़ता है. मेरे को तो ना पता. Thanks for saving all my money for my children's education. They'll be very grateful to you for that.
somebody has got to do it
I know. चलो your turn.
okay चलो आई चलो मिडिल वाला निकालूं ये if you had to pitch each other on Shark Tank what would the pitch be each other feminism dude
All right. So
we have a lot to say
It's a big currency.
it's a big one
Okay. All right. Enact your last 3 emojis.
oh you're good at this
Enact my last.
you're great at acting
Okay, my last 3 emojis was this.
ooh
Of course, I won't tell you to whom.
you
Hello. Then this.
और kisses
Yeah.
कौशिक को पता है तुम किसको
I'm
भेज रही
sending
हो
like love. And of course, one is this because I'm
suddenly
always-
she's become this after 2 kisses oh
Sati Savitri. Because I'm generally, as an entrepreneur, you have to feel grateful every day.
ये कौशिक को जाता है और वो पता नहीं किसको जाता है
Awesome. Chalo, last one.
okay last one let's break the damn thing
All right.
Sneakers with sari, ye hone. Nahi
person to ask question,
No,
wrong
I'm not a sneaker person. I mean, आज जूती पहनी है इसलिए flat है, but I
This
love my
season
heels.
you have to wear sneakers.
No.
Once.
No. I will not wear sneakers other than when I'm working out. I love my heels.
Yes. Her heels and her punctuality. Do
Hello.
not mess with
Plus,
that.
I'm very short. I need them.
Super awesome. This was damn good.
Fun. I love this. I just noticed right now it's called
sugar coated.
I had no idea.
Wordplay.
Super.
करना पड़ता है।
Poetess बन गई हमारी वनीता.
एंड अगर आपको ये एपिसोड पसंद आया तो आपको वही करना है जो हर पॉडकास्टर आपसे कराता है, विच इज़ यू हैव टू हिट लाइक, सब्सक्राइब एंड ऑल्सो अ कॉमेंट सो दैट हमें समझ आए कि आपको क्या पसंद आ रहा है, क्या नहीं पसंद आ रहा है. एंड इफ़ यू वॉन्ट अस टू ब्रिंग समवन ऑन दिस पॉडकास्ट, एनी गेस्ट दैट यू हैव इन माइंड और any question that's remained unanswered, please put them in the comments below. I read every single comment down below. So until next time, stay curious, stay grounded, and keep building the life that you love, just like I'm doing.